Jai Hind everyone. I am Petty Officer Cadet Falak Seni and today I have written a letter to Tiranga about my vision regarding India in 2047. Through the Tiranga in the heart of every Indian. Dear Tiranga, currently we are in August 2026, 21 years away from 2047. Looking back, it is evident that India has come a long way and progressed significantly to become one of the world's largest economies. Despite being under British rule for so long, we came back stronger. And right now, with constant efforts by the people and the government for improving the nation, I am confident that India shall become the ideal nation. With missions like Atmanirbhar Bharat, India has started to become independent of other countries, especially in defense. I believe that by 2047, we shall have our own indigenously built ships, aircraft, etc. And considering the recent progression ISRO had made in space, India will definitely dominate outer space. With that, I also think India will be a friendly country with having good global relations, and that is especially thanks to our policy of never doing the first right. But what makes India truly great is its people and the spirit they hold. Jai Hind. Good.
Good morning everyone, I'm Cadet Catherine. To the Tiranga in every Indian's heart. Dear Tiranga, right now it's 12th August 2026. Let me update you on what is going on right now. So where do I start? 21 years in one letter, it's crazy. So not everything is going great in India. A lot of protests are going on, injustice and to sum up, not great things. It's not that only bad things are going on, good things are too. Like Operation Sindoor and many satellites have been launched. The main point of writing this letter to you is to tell you my vision of India in 2047. So my vision is to see an India without injustice, bullying, casteism, poverty and an opportunity for everyone. As an Indian, I think Indians find a solution for everything and we together as Indians will find one good thing. I see India where everyone is happy, there is peace and everyone respects everyone. I will try to do my best in whatever way I can help India to become that way. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you. Next one.
Jai Hind everyone, I am Cadet Chehek from KM Karyappa. अब हर घर तिरंगों से सजेगा. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. The color of Tiranga, the pride of Tiranga will never change for us. We all are proud to be Indians, a country filled with different languages, cultures, traditions and full of kindness. Today is 12th August 2026. Just 3 days left for Independence Day to come. As an NCC cadet, I am proud to say that I am getting this opportunity to write this letter for Tiranga. I hope nothing much changes in 2047. Just our country become more developed and the love between people becomes more. I hope that may our country live in peace, happiness and respect for each other becomes more. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Jai Hind everyone, I am Cadet Alia Singh from Group 5 KM Karyappa and our topic was the letter to Tiranga. To Tiranga, India, Chandigarh, the flag hoist stage at Kabul Convent School, Chandigarh Sector 9. Subject, the future I see 2047. Honorable Tiranga, as a proud cadet of whichever wing or division or age I belong to, today I write this letter to tell you how my vision for you in 21 years looks from now. I could say I wish we were all united as one nation without boundaries of religion, caste, sex, etc. But that would be lying. The way my own grandparents talk about certain religions as if they were inferior or wrong shows how held back we are by the past. I am now not ashamed of how I honestly believed her. I thought belonging to those religions was wrong. But as I grew up, I realized they were not the problem, a mindset like this was. My hope and vision for Tiranga 2047 is that everyone has the understanding to realize what the real problem is. Thanking you, yours sincerely, Cadet Alia Singh. Jai Hind.
Yes, you.
Our India after 21 years. Dear Tiranga, I hope you might be proud of our country's progress. Our country, India, is developing very fast, having a smart new technology and young cadets willing to serve you. Such a big difference occurred from the day we got independence. I was wondering what would our country look after 21 years? The scenario of mine says that our country might have the highest economy in the world. The country might have more people who will be serving to youth, and technologies developed to most advanced level, including the main idea of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, which means one family, the whole world. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.